Today we will see a new method, Clapeyron's three moments theorem, okay, to analyze indeterminate structures. Clapeyron's three moments theorem. Suppose if you have two spans like this, L1, EI1, L2, its flexural rigidity EI2, okay. Let's assume it is A, B, C. The beam is continuing further like this. Just we are considering only two spans. Let's assume that deflection curve may be like this. Something like this, okay. Here, the slope at B, let us assume it is theta. See, slope must be same on both sides, right? For compatibility, slope must be same on both sides. And let us assume it's carrying some load, something like this. Some load it is carrying. Okay, because of that load, it is taking that shape. Okay. Now, and assume the fixed moments are like this. I mean, sorry, not fixed moments, final moments. Let us assume final moments are MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB. See, all are hogging moments. MAB, MBA. See, MAB left side, left hand side anti-clockwise hogging. MBA right hand side clockwise, that is hogging. Similarly, MBC, MCB. All are hogging moments we assumed, okay? So, just assume name like this, MAB, name it as simply MA. It is actually minus anti-clockwise MAB, just name it as MA. Similarly, clockwise MBA or anti-clockwise MBC. Name for this as MB, simply MB. Clockwise MCB, name this as simply MC, okay? Now, we need to find this theta, that theta angle we need to find. We will see how to find that, okay? The spans actually, suppose if you take this AB beam separately and BC beam separately, we take AB, BC. Now, according to this new convention, moments are like this. This is MA. This is MB, MB, MC, and some loading is there on this structure. Here also some loading is there. Okay. Further, this can be split into separate. I mean, MA once you apply MA, once you apply MB, once you apply external load, and find theta. So just we'll find theta here by splitting the loadings into 3 patterns, which is equal to, this will be equal to, I mean, just assume it is a simply supported here, because couples we are applying separately, so we can assume this as a simply supported. Okay, like this. Now, which is equal to like this. Just apply MA once and just apply only MB and just apply only external load. Same loading, MA, MB, external loading, 3 things are there. Just we are applying MA separately, MB separately, and loading separately, and finally we are adding all these things. Similarly, on PC span also, apply MB separately, apply MC separately, and apply this external loading separately. So summation of these 3 things will be equal to this original beam, I mean original pattern, MA, MB, and loading, whatever it is there, that just we are splitting into 3 parts for our convenience only. Okay. Now, what will be the displacement field for this? We will find. See, if you apply anti-clockwise couple MA here, obviously the beam takes this kind of shape, displacement. Okay. Of course, here also like this. If you apply MB clockwise right side, then also it may get this kind of shape. Okay. MC also it may get this kind of shape. If you apply load here, because of this load, the displacement may be like this. Okay. Let us now take this one, this displacement theta. Let us assume it is theta theta BA1. This may be theta BA2. Here it is anti-clockwise, theta BA3. Right side, this one may be theta BC1. This angle may be theta BC2. This angle clockwise may be theta BC3. Give proper sign convention. Okay. So here, according to our this one, theta must be equal to theta. That means both sides theta must be same. That means, and left side BA, if you take, this is actually theta BA, this is theta BC. Both must be same. Theta BA must be equal to theta BC. That is the condition here. But what is theta BA actually? Anti-clockwise rotation, right? Anti-clockwise rotation means here, clockwise, if it is the opposite, then it must be negative of that. That means theta BA is nothing but minus theta BA1 minus theta BA2 plus theta BA3 equal to, and theta BC we assumed here anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means if it is opposite, then it must be negative. So here theta BC1, it is anti-clockwise, so positive. Theta BC1 and theta BC2 also anti-clockwise. Theta BC2 and theta BC3 is clockwise, minus theta BC3. So this is the actually original equation for derivation of this three moments theorem. The equation is theta BA equal to theta BC. Theta BA we are splitting into three components. See, theta BA according to our assumption it is anti-clockwise, but theta BA1 is clockwise, that means minus. Theta BA2 is clockwise, that is also minus. Theta BA3 is anti-clockwise, positive. Okay. Okay. So theta BA equal to theta BC. Just by substituting all these values here, theta BA1, theta BA2, theta BC1, theta BC2, and theta BA3, theta BC3. Here, finally we get this relation. Okay. MAL1 plus 2MBL1 plus L2 plus MCL2 equal to 6A1X1 by L1 plus 6A2X2 by L2. Suppose if we have a two span beam like this, let us assume it is central load and it is UDL. 20 kilonewtons, 18 kilonewton per meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, ABC. So we'll analyze this beam. So first, take these beams separately like this and like this. So for 20 load, simply let us assume it is a simply support beam like this, 20 kilonewtons. So 10, 10 here. (18 kilonewton per meter), 3 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. For these beams, draw bending moment diagram. So this is bending moment diagram for this, and this is bending moment diagram for this. Height is PL by 4, right? Simply support bending moment diagram height PL by 4. 20 into L, 6 by 4. 20 into 6 by 4. How much? 30.
30, sir.
WL square by 8. 18 into 4 square. 16 by
20.25.
WL square by 8.
36.
36.
6.
Now, based on this, A1 equal to here half into 6 into 30. A2 equal to 2/3 into 4 into 36. Okay. So here 90. This one 96. Okay. Now we can frame equations very simply. Okay. So for these two spans, I will mark here. Centroid will be here. So x1 equal to 3. For this centroid is x2 equal to 2. So just substitute here those values. First write equation MAL1 plus 2 MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 equal to 6 A1 X1 by L1 plus 6 A2 X2 by L2. Here, MA, as it is a hinge, 0. MC also 0. So remaining things you can substitute here. That is 2 times of MB L1 plus L2. 6 plus 4 equal to 6 into A1 90 X1 3 by L1 6 plus 6 A2 96 X2 2 L2 4. So 20 MB equal to 6 gets cancelled. 2 2s, 2 3s. So 270 plus what is the 3 into 96 plus 270? How much? 12 less than 300. That is 290, 288. 288 plus 270. 500 and
558.
558, sir.
558, right?
558.
Okay. MB equal to 27.9. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 27.59 kilonewton meter. So now you can draw, final moments you can mark on this. So like this, 27.9. Of course, you can find reactions also. Shear force bending moment also you can draw. Okay. 3 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. We got these moments. 27.9 and this also 27.9. So finding reactions at 20, 10, 10 like this.
Sir,
A2
A2 value correct in sir. A2 value ఎంత?
A2 2/3 of 4 into 36. 3 12s 36. 2 into 4 into 12. 96. Correct again?
2/3 value ಏನು sir?
Area parabola.
Okay.
Okay. So for 27.9 by 6, how much? Clockwise means anti-clockwise couple like this. 27.9.
4.65.
4.65. Similarly here, 18 into 4 72, that is 36 36, and 27.9 by 4 anti-clockwise means clockwise
6.975.
6.975. So final reactions are 5.35. This total reaction is 29.025. Here center
57.625.
57.625. So these are the reactions. Now you can draw shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, everything. Okay. Suppose if you have 3 spans, 3 spans like this. Let us assume it is a central point load, it is eccentric point load, and it is a UDL. (20 kilonewtons, 30 kilonewtons, 18 kilonewton per meter, 2 meters, 2 meter, 3 meter, 1 meter, 4 meter. A, B, C, D. Okay. First, you take these 2 spans at a time. This span and this span. Okay. For these 2 spans, Venn moment diagrams are like this. Like this, and for this span, it is like this. 2 to PL by 4, that means 20. Here PAB by L, that means 30 into 3 into 1 by 4, 90 by 4, that is 22.5.
22.5.
So first ABBC spans you can take at once. Okay. Then next BC CD spans will take at once. These 2 spans. Okay. For this Venn moment diagram again, 3, 1, 22.5 this height. For this height is WL square by 8. How much? WL square by 8. 4 square by 16. 8 means 36. Okay. Now for ABBC spans, if you take the x1, x2 values for this, here I will mark both. Okay. What is A1? A1 here half into 4 into 20, that equal to 40. And x1 is 2. Here A2, 2 triangles are there. Okay. For these 2 triangles, A2, x2, directly I will write. Okay. So for this small triangle, centroid, and for this triangle, centroid, from right side. I mean, two figures, 2 centroids, right? So A2, x2 equal to first small triangle half into 1 into height 22.5. Okay, area of this triangle. Okay, into its centroid distance is 2/3 of 1 plus another triangle half into 3 into 22.5 is the area of the triangle. Its centroid distance is 1 plus 1/3 of 3. Okay, this is A2, x2 for that. How much it is? $7.5. How much?
75.
30?
75.
75. Okay. See, always mind it here. For left span, central distance must be from left side. For right span, central distance must be from right side. So next, that is this A1, x1 is here too, right? Okay. So A1, x1 equal to 40 into 2, 80 here. Here 75. Okay, no problem. Now for second, this one, BC and CD spans also will mark like this. For this, A1, x1 equal to, see here centroid, and for this centroid is like this. this centroid and this centroid. Okay. Now a1 x1 is here. Half into 3 into 22.5 is the area of the first triangle into centroid is 2/3 of 3 plus second triangle half into 1 into 22.5 multiplied by centroid is 3 plus 1/3 of 1, which is equal to, that is a1 x1. For BC span, if you consider BCCD. For this, A2 equal to 2/3 of 4 into 36. X2 equal to this one, 2. 96. What is A1 x1?
105, sir.
105. So we need to frame the equations, right? Now, equations are like this. MA L1 plus 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 equal to 6 A1 x1 by L1 plus 6 A2 x2 by L2. For this ABBC span, okay, first. And next, one more equation, MBL1 plus 2MC L1 plus L2 plus MDL2 equal to 6A1 x1 by L1 plus 6A2 x2 by L2. So first ABBC spans, okay. AB and BC spans if you consider, then of course MA is 0. Here also, if you consider this one, MD is 0. 2MB L1 plus L2, 4 plus 3 plus MC L2. MC into L2 is 3 equal to 6. A1 x1 40 into 2 by L1 4 plus 6 A2 x2 75 by L2 4. And for BC CD spans, BC and CD spans, 2MC into L1 plus L2 4 plus 4 plus, sorry, what is that? MBL1 also is there. MBL1 means L1 is here 4 plus 2MC L1 L2 4 plus 4. MD is 0 equal to 6 into A1 x1 is 105 by L1 4 plus 6 A2 96 x2 2 by L2 and also 4. So finally we got these equations. 4 plus 3 7, 14 MB plus 3 MC equal to 2 2s, 2 20s, 2 3s, 2 2s. Okay, how much finally?
Sir, ABBC span lo L1 plus L2 4 plus 4
4 sir, 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4?
ABBC span lo 4 plus 3 రాశారు సార్.
L2 4 కదా sir.
Okay, L2 4 అది. Okay. Four plus 4. Okay. So 14, 16 అప్పుడు
MC కూడా 4MC.
Okay. Okay. 4MC. Okay, equal to how much? 120 plus
465 by 2.
అంతా మొత్తం
232.5.
232.5, sir.
232.5. Second one, 4 MB plus 16 MC equal to how much?
Four 5.5.
445.5. Okay. So these are the equations. Just divide these equations with, first equation multiply with 2. What happens? 32 MB plus, not with 2, with 4. 64 MB plus 16 MC equal to, multiplying with 4, 232.5 into 4. This one 4 MB plus 16 MC equal to 445.5. Subtracting, this gets cancelled. 60 MB equal to how much?
484.5.
484.5 and MB equal to
8.075.
substitute and tell me what is MC. MC equal to 232.5 minus 8.075 by 4, which is equal to
25.825.
25.525.
825.
Not clear. Chapani? Voice clear out.
25.825, sir.
75, huh?
No, sir. 25.
25, sir.
25.825.
825.
Okay. So these are the MBMC moments. Okay. After getting MBMC moment, reactions and all are same. Okay. These are hogging moments. See, whatever moments we are getting, if you get positive value, that is hogging. MB, MC, whatever moments we are getting, these are hogging. In assumption itself, we are assuming those are hogging. Don't confuse that sign convention. The moments whatever we are getting, positive means hogging. Okay, mind it. Positive moment means hogging here. So we assumed in derivation like that only. So next, we'll see one more. Suppose if you have fixed support, fixed one, what to do? Suppose we have a fixed end like this. Like this, okay. So if you have fixed end, here at fixed end also you'll have some movement. So imaginary span we can assume on left side, okay. For this imaginary span, that means first this imaginary span, this side and this one, and next time AB and BC. Okay. Here bending moment diagram for this, how much it is? 30, right? Okay. Here zero moment. Okay, but this is imaginary. Zero moment, zero, everything is zero. Okay. Next, here for ABBC spans, $30. Here WL square by 8. 3 square by 8. How much? 9 by 8.
72.
Hmm?
72.
72, na?
Twenty-seven.
27.
27.
27. One point five, 1.5. So here A, B. Here A dash, okay, imaginary, that is A dash, imaginary span, okay. Here AB, BC spans. So write equations, okay. What is that? MA dash into L dash, okay, plus 2MA into, this is L dash, okay, imaginary. L dash plus this one 4 plus MB into 4 equal to that 6 A1 dash means imaginary, okay, x1 dash by L1 dash plus 6 A2 x2 by L2. That means here A2 in this equal to half into 4 into 30 equal to 60, and x2 equal to this one symmetric. So because of symmetry it is x2 equal to 2. Okay, as it is imaginary, MA is 0, A dash is 0, MA dash is 0, L dash is 0, this also 0. So finally we got equation like this: 8 MA plus 4 MB equal to 6 A2 60 x2 2 by L2, how much? 4 AB span. So this is the equation, okay. 2 2s, 2 3s, so 180, okay, or 8 MA plus 4 MB equal to 180. This is equation 1. Now this span, these two spans, ABBC. ABBC you can write like this: MAL1 plus 2 MB L1 plus L2 plus MCL2 equal to 6A1 x1 by L1 plus 6A2 x2 by L2, or here A1 equal to half into 4 into 30, that equal to 60, and x1 is this one, x1 equal to 2. Here also A2 equal to 2/3 into 3 into 27, 54, x2 equal to this one, 1.5. So substituting here, MA L1 4 plus 2 MB 4 plus 3. Here MC anyway 0, okay, equal to 6 A1 60 into x1 2 by L1 4 plus 6 A2 54 x2 1.5 by L2 3. That means 4 MA plus 14 MB equal to 2 2s, 2 3s, 1.5 2s, 2 3s, 180 plus 162, 340, Tuna, how much? 340,
2.
342, equation number 2. So first equation make it half, that is 4 MA plus 2 MB equal to 90. 4 MA plus 14 MB equal to 342. So subtracting 1 from 2, 0, this one, then 12 MB equal to 252. MB equal to how much?
21.
Hmm?
21.
21. MB is 21. MA, from any of these equations, MA equal to 90 minus 2 times of MB, 21 by 4 equal to 16. Huh?
12, sir.
12. Hmm. So 21 and 12. Okay. So after getting this one, finally you can, find reactions, all those things. But same problem by using this one, moment distribution, it will be very simple, right? Same problem, you can work it by using this one, moment distribution. Moment distribution, if you do, it will be very simple. So see here, stiffnesses are 4A by 4, right side 3A by 3. That means 1:1 ratio. That is half. Okay. Fixed moments, WL by 8. That is minus 15 plus 15. This one WL square by 12. That means L square 3 square 9. 12 means 18.
18. 18.
Minus 18 plus 18. Release it here. Minus 18. Minus 9. Now minus 15, 15, minus 27, 0. So imbalance is 12, minus 12 more. 6 we need to add. Okay. Carry over here is 3. Okay. Now minus 12, 21, minus 21, 0. So hogging moment at A, 12, hogging moment at B, 21, 12 and 21. See, less than 1 minute you can solve by using moment distribution method. So always moment distribution method is superior, right?